Assalamu alaikum students. Before this we know what is biological problem and how we will solve that biological problem by using the systematic approach called the biological method. And in biological method we focus on hypothesis and the testing of that hypothesis after identifying the biological problem. So in this lecture we will know what is theory, law and the principle. So we are familiar with the hypothesis that hypothesis is any intelligent guess in the form of statement that is testable. Okay, that is testable by the qualitative or quantitative data. So we have discussed the hypothesis, the sports idea, plasmodium is the cause of malaria. So let's know the other hypothesis. If I place the battery in my car, then my car will get better mileage. If I will eat more vegetable, then I will lose weight faster. If I'll add the fertilizer to my garden, then my plant will grow faster. If I'll brush my teeth, then it will no develop cavities over there. And from the surrounding we make the different hypotheses as well. Bacterial growth is affected by the moisture. So these were the hypotheses the intelligent guessed. So what the biologists will do, they will test them. So when they will test the hypothesis experimentally by qualitative and quantitative data, then if the hypothesis is continuously accepting the statement is becoming true, then it becomes the theory. So, what is theory? Theory is the tested hypothesis. So, scientists use the word theory when they will test the hypothesis, then they will say that I have a theory, then really mean I have a guess. Scientific theories are, on the other hand, we can say it well tested and highly reliable scientific explanation of the natural phenomena. Then unify many repeated observation and data collection from lot of experiments. It becomes theories. The example of theories we have learned in the previous classes, the theory of evolution, the gradual changes in the living organism, and we have also discussed the theory of biogenesis and the abiogenesis. So what happened next when the hypotheses are tested and proved again and do not reject, then we will call it law. So what is law? Law is a uniform or constant fact of nature. It is virtually irrefutable theory, and the biologists, in short, they use the term of law for the tested hypothesis, and the theories are tested again and again, and then they become law. But sometime when the theories are tested again and again, they may be rejected due to the lack of evidences. So let's compile our lecture. What is theory? Theory is a careful thought out explanation for observation of the natural world that has been constructed using the scientific method and which bring together in facts and hypothesis. And what is scientific law or the biological law? That is a law of science statement based on repeated experiments and observation that describe or predict a range of natural phenomena. Just like we have studied the Mendeleev law, it means the genetical changes in variety of pea plants. The Mendel used the example of peas over there. And what is principle? Principle is the fundamental truth or propositions that serve as foundation for a system of belief or behavior or for a chain of reasoning. Thanks.